So, sir, could you please give me a brief introduction about yourself, your product, and your company?
So my name is Vikas Kikan. I am the Chief Executive Officer of a company called Beyond Drilling and Exploration Private Limited. We are the leading supplier and manufacturer of biomass pellet in India, manufacturing around 2,500 tons a day. So today I am here as an investor in this pellet manufacturing machines company Trio Renewables. We have a stall here. So Beyond Drilling and we are one of the investor in this Trio, and we have put our stall here. We got very good response today. The people who are interested to come into the business of biodensification, pellets and other, they have showed their interest and been here at in a good strength. So it's very useful that we have put our plant here and could able to showcase our machinery and other things to them.
Okay, sir. So could you please tell me about some of the growth opportunities upcoming in the industry right now?
See, bioenergy and biomass pellet industry is very bullish industry, you know. So in India, the government figure says that there is around 280 million metric ton excess straw available every year. So 287 million metric ton is a huge energy source which is unutilized for several years. You know, maybe in previous year it might be little bit more or less, but more or less this is the quantum which is unused every year. So if this type of raw material is used and is converted into fuel, which is an alternative to fossil fuel, will create a very big economy and use of that energy in a right way. So it has a huge potential in India. It's good that government is focusing on this sector, and since India is an agriculture based sector, and this crop residue is directly related to agriculture, because if there is agriculture, the leftover is the fuel which we need for our densification. It has a huge future. Government also has taken many steps. One is the co-firing with fossil coal in thermal power plant, which is around 5 to 7%, which itself is like 50 million metric ton yearly requirement, which is a huge requirement. You see, at this point of time, I convert it into per day requirement. It is like 1,25,000 tons a day. And if you ask me what is the current situation, it is at 20 or 25,000 tons per day. So there is a huge deficit for one source of business which government has told people to come into. And this is one factor. Then it can be converted into the compressed biogas. It can generate ethanol out of it. So there are many other. Then green hydrogen, green methanol, green ethanol. These are coming products in the future. So it has tremendous scope, and I think India will become leader in renewable. It will not take much time to be there.
Okay, sir. That. Thank you so much for your valuable insights. It was really nice connecting with you.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Pleasure.